MobiKin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS makes WhatsApp data recovery on iPhone extremely easy. Here's a comprehensive guide about how to use WhatsApp Recovery for iOS. To recover WhatsApp data, begin by downloading and installing MobiKin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS on your computer. Launch the software and opt for Recover from iOS. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Once connected, you can choose the data types you wish to recover and initiate the scanning process by clicking Start Scan. For extracting WhatsApp data, you need to respond to the unlock prompt on your device promptly. Please be patient. Scanning will take some time. After the scanning, preview the scanned out WhatsApp files and mark those you intend to recover. After selecting the data you need, click Recover to Computer to initiate WhatsApp data recovery. If you have backed up WhatsApp data to iTunes, you can select Recover from iTunes Backup File. It will detect all iTunes backup files on your computer. Choose the data types you want to restore, then click Start Scan. Finally, click Recover to Computer to begin restoring from the iTunes backup.